Hello everyone. Today is Friday, January 7th, and I want to show you some recent signals here using the DayTradeToWin software. There's a number of signals, they're all to the short side, and this video is going to focus on why it's important to trade when things are aligned as opposed to when the methods are conflicting. So if you're trading your own methods, or if you have any of the DayTradeToWin methods like the blueprint or the Trade Scalper or the Atlas line, you can see that most of, if not all of these signals are to the short side. So the Atlas line is here, and we have strength trades and pullback trades to the short side. We have the blueprint trade, we have a short here on the Trade Scalper. Now this market happens to be the MNQ, which is the mini NASDAQ, the micro NASDAQ. And if I switch it over to the E-mini S&P, let's see what we have here. Again, we have the E-mini S&P showing us short, pullback and strength trades are short, blueprint trade short, blueprint trade short, short. So if I'm going to take a long position, it has to be when more than one of the methods are indicating to go long. Now I don't like to look at different time frames, so I'm using a 1-minute chart because the current conditions, about 2 points, 2.25 points, indicate that this is a good healthy market to trade at this point. So I'm not looking at a top-down approach, which is daily, 60-minute, 30-minute, 15, 10, 5, 1. I think it's too much information. I'd rather look at one chart and have the opportunity to be a buyer or seller based on the information on that one chart. And the targets are relatively good here because right now it's at about 3.5 points. So you're looking at about 14 ticks. 3 points on the E-mini is very good. 13, 14 ticks. And so again, short is the way to go. I'm not sure if we'll have another short position while doing this video, but as a demonstration for today, it's looking very, very good. My name is John Paul. I'll see you at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.